it's Gina with WTI, and man, am I glad that cargo pants are back in style because I am loving this pair from Toomett. These are hiking pants, but actually I have been wearing them every day because they are so comfortable. And a total bonus for me is that these can be worn high-waisted. They do have elastic on the waist, so if you want to wear them lower, you definitely can, but I love to wear them all the way up to my belly button. And it does have a drawstring as well, which just adds to the cuteness. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and I got the size medium. This fits really well. I love that there's ample room in the butt area because I got a little bit of a booty. And I got the army green color. It's awesome. I just love it, and it goes with so many different outfits. These are great for hiking, of course. They dry super quickly. In fact, they were dry within 3 minutes when I got them wet. The material is really lightweight and it's SPF 50. Plus, because it's nylon, it helps the weeds or branches to just kind of slip off of the fabric so that I don't scratch my legs or things like that when I'm walking through the brush. I really am living in these pants. I love them, and that's my point of view.